What if the future of travel wasn't a luxury RV worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, but a tiny three-wheel camper that can take you almost anywhere? Imagine owning a vehicle that's small enough to fit in a regular parking space, yet smart enough to become your bedroom, kitchen, office, and living room all at once. It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what this incredible camper tricycle delivers. And once you see everything packed inside this compact machine, you'll understand why people all over the world are calling it one of the most innovative campers ever built. The moment this vehicle appears on the road, it steals everyone's attention. It doesn't look like a normal motorcycle, and it definitely doesn't resemble a traditional camper. Instead, it looks like something engineers borrowed from the future. Its sleek body, aerodynamic curves, futuristic headlights, and unique three-wheel design make it impossible to ignore. Drivers slow down just to get a better look. People pull out their phones to record videos. Children wave as it passes by. And campers gather around it whenever it stops. Because this isn't just transportation. It's an experience. Most people dream about owning a large motorhome. They imagine endless road trips, beautiful campsites, and complete freedom. But reality is often very different. Large RVs are expensive. They're difficult to drive. Fuel costs are high. Parking becomes stressful. And many beautiful destinations simply aren't accessible because the roads are too narrow. This camper tricycle solves every one of those problems. Instead of becoming larger, it becomes smarter. Instead of adding unnecessary space, it improves every square inch. The result is a vehicle that's surprisingly comfortable while remaining incredibly practical. Let's start with its exterior. The aerodynamic body isn't only designed to look futuristic. Every curve helps reduce wind resistance, making the vehicle more efficient on highways and more stable during long-distance travel. The lightweight construction also improves performance. Less weight means better fuel economy, better handling, lower maintenance costs, and a much more enjoyable driving experience. Large panoramic windows wrap around the cabin, giving travelers breathtaking views from almost every angle. Imagine driving beside the ocean while watching waves crash against the shoreline. Imagine climbing mountain roads surrounded by snow-covered peaks. Or parking beside a peaceful lake where the sunset fills every window with golden light. Those aren't vacation moments anymore. They're everyday life. The three-wheel design also offers several advantages. It provides excellent balance while keeping the overall size much smaller than conventional campers. That means exploring places where traditional RVs simply can't go. Hidden beaches, forest trails, historic villages, scenic mountain roads, remote campsites. Instead of avoiding difficult roads, this camper encourages adventure. Now it's time to see what everyone is most curious about: the inside. And this is where expectations completely change. Most people assume the interior must be tiny. Instead, they discover one of the smartest uses of space ever designed. The cabin feels modern, organized, and surprisingly comfortable. Every piece of furniture has been carefully planned. Nothing exists without a purpose. The main seating area immediately creates the feeling of home. Comfortable cushions provide the perfect place to relax after hours of driving. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, making the cabin feel open rather than confined. You can enjoy breakfast while watching the sunrise. Read a book during a rainy afternoon. Edit travel videos from your laptop. Or simply sit quietly and admire the view. When evening arrives, the transformation begins. The seating area quickly converts into a comfortable sleeping space. Instead of filling the camper with permanent furniture, designers created flexible systems that change according to your